Now, this is how you can reply to a Gmail on your iPad. Now, I'm going to assume that you have the official Google Gmail app on your iPhone or iPad. Does not really matter for this instance, but I need to quickly tell you that you can use any kind of mail client, even third-party one like I have here, the Spark Mail, Blue Mail, whatever. So yeah, they all work very similarly, but let's go with the Gmail one. Open it up and just locate any sort of received email. Now, from the left panel, from the list, pick the one which you want to reply to, and then on the main page, you will see a couple of different buttons, and we need to look for the arrow pointing towards the left side, as it means to like return the message. And when you click on this, this is essentially the reply button. So when you tap on this, it is automatically like typed in that you are replying back to that email that you received, right? You can just change the subject or include the message, whatever. You also have like a little tagline on where or what the time is of sending and stuff like that. However, one important thing is to still pay attention to the arrow right there, because you can just tap on it again and just change it to the other side. When you click on forward, now the arrow is pointing towards the right, as if you want to just keep on sharing it more. But if you want to reply to it, you want to make sure that the arrow is like replying to the left side. It's like a little visual indication of knowing where or what you're actually doing. So that's how I like to explain it. Let me know down below if you found this video helpful, or if there are like more thoughts and things you want to ask or share. The comment section is yours. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.